Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to fix Google Gemini error 1099 on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or any other operating system which you are using. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Google Gemini and you are seeing the error 1099, then I will show you a couple of steps you can try and fix this issue. In this, the first method is you can try by opening a new chat. Suppose this is my Google Gemini window. If already I'm chatting and getting this error, then you can close this chat by closing the window and open it again and check whether this issue has been resolved or not. Still this option not working, you can change the prompt what you're typing and try with this prompt. If another prompt is also not working, then you are seeing the same error, then you can check by changing the different model. Just click on this plus option. Here you can see canvas is selected. By this you can change your different model and check. You can see deep research or more tools. So just click on this deep research and start by your prompt. If this option is also not working, then what you have to do, then you can try by logging out your account and try to log in with different Gmail account. If this option is also not working, then close this browser, open your Google Gemini account in another browser and check if these options work or not. Or you can try your incognito mode on your Chrome browser or any other browser also. Just click on this three dot and try new incognito window. Now open your Google Gemini account and check whether it is working properly or not. If all these options are not working, then you can try the final method, which is Google Workspace status. You have to type this Google Workspace status in your browser, then click on this first option, and you will find the Google Gemini here. You can see whether this Google Gemini server is working properly or not. If this server is down, then you will get some error here. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the Google Gemini error and the error code is 1099. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.